A strange twist in the murder case against Coley McCraney playing out late this afternoon in an Ozark courtroom. A woman that Coley's legal team had hoped would help their case changed her story. Just one of several developments in today's pretrial hearing. WDHN's Aaron Dixon has the latest tonight from the Dale County Courthouse.
Coley McCraney arrived at the Dale County courtroom for the last time before his jury is selected in a case of more than 250,000 court documents. McCraney is accused of killing J.B. Beasley and Tracy Hollett in 1999. On Thursday, McCraney's attorneys brought forth 4 witnesses who they feel could help sway a potential jury and hopefully add to a plethora of different theories of what happened on July 31st of 1999. One of the witnesses was McCraney's wife, who said Coley wasn't at the crime scene and that instead he was home with her, and she'd even went with him to jump off his car. Then a former Ozark newspaper delivery boy took the stand and said he saw an Ozark police officer at the scene of the crime while he was on a newspaper route with his dad. He also applied to be an Ozark police officer later on, but was denied. Next was a lady named Renee Crum, who has said for 6 years that she overheard Ozark police officers admit to the murder of Beasley and Hollett. Crum approached the stand and said, "I lied." Then Assistant District Attorney David Emery asked, "Are you saying you lied about the cop killing these 2 girls?" Crum's answer was, "Yes, sir." But the state also brought up Crum's brothers, who say she is a compulsive liar and that she is grieving over the loss of 2 family members. Finally, the defense brought a former officer who said that the officer at large was with younger women and that he was told to keep quiet about the case. The state then called the investigator of the case to the stand, who says he is not surprised that Crum lied and that Crum was utilized as a pawn by the defense. The defense will now look at other ways to bring even the slightest bit of doubt to the case, where a jury can find Coley McCraney not guilty, as the state continues to move forward with the case.